So when I first decided that I wanted to go to South America, my son got into a little bit of panic and told me that it wasn't so safe and suggested that I take a group tour. In fact, he actually suggested that I should research old solo traveling woman group tours. And so I looked into them. I'd never taken a group tour before. I'm quite an independent traveler and I prefer to travel by myself. But I decided to look into it. Doesn't hurt. And then I saw, some of the itineraries look quite interesting. You go to places that you wouldn't necessarily go to, and yeah, much better maybe than solo traveling to a place where you don't speak the language and you don't necessarily have access to transport to get to some of these out of the way places. So I looked at G-Travel and I looked at Intrepid Tours and I looked at Toucan Tours. Those are the three that I looked at. I didn't look at Contiki because Contiki is for young people aged 18 to 35, and as you can see by my hair, I am way past that age group. So I needed to find something that would be able to take the older traveler as well. And I looked at, as I said, a whole lot of different itineraries. I looked at different pricings, and in the end I decided to go with Toucan Travel. So yeah, I'm going to be giving you some pros and cons of group travel, because now I've done it, I can now speak as an experienced group traveler and tell you the pros and the cons of group travel. One of the things they don't tell you when you're going to do a group travel trip is you need to be quite fit. So if you have access to a gym, I suggest you use it beforehand. One of the big bonuses of going on a group tour is that they organize your accommodation for you. And it is usually in quite a good location, easy to get to places of interest. If you want accommodation by yourself, like a single room, then you have to pay extra. Otherwise, you have to share with someone. And if you like your privacy, this might not be the best option for you. But at least you don't have to worry about organizing accommodation. And of course, another big pro about going on a group tour is that they organize the transport for you. So they organize all the flights and all the pickups from the airport, bus trips to some of the places they're taking you to. They organize all of that. So you don't have to worry about anything. And they get you just get to the airport with your group. They give you the tickets, you board the plane. The cost of the tickets is all included in the price that you are paying for your group tour. So I definitely think that for me, this was one of the biggest pros for going on the group tour, was that all my flights were organized, and also they obviously must get like a cheaper price for it because the company always books those with that different airline. So with the group tour also comes obviously your morning breakfasts and Also, they sometimes lunches and dinners might be included, though there are times when you have to purchase your own, but the tour guide is always there to recommend different places to go to. So, yeah, you're not left to your own devices all the time. And yeah, the social interactions. What they don't tell you beforehand is that not everybody is going to be your age, and you will have younger people who walk a hell of a lot faster than you do, and they might have the desire to speed walk everywhere. And if you are not fit and not used to walking, it can be quite difficult to keep up. So my suggestion is definitely get in some walking practice before you do a group tour, because you don't want to be holding everybody back, because then they get frustrated, and that's how drama can happen on a group trip. So what you got to remember is that your group is made of people of not only different ages, but also different cultures, maybe have different beliefs, and they have different reasons for going on the trip. Some of them might be going so that they can do a lot of drinking, others might be going on the trip to explore, others might be doing it to get away from a broken relationship. Who knows? Everybody's got their story. So a group trip is good. A big pro is that you get to meet lots of different people from all over the world. But sometimes you might find that you don't have enough privacy and you would like to have some time alone. And some group tours, like this one that I went on, they actually built in time for you to be able to have a day to yourself. So every city or town that we stopped at, we would always have one day where we could either choose their optional activities or explore by ourselves. So you didn't always have to be with a group. And personally, I would recommend going on a tour that allows for days to yourself within it, because I think if you had to be with the same group of people all the time, I think that could create a lot more drama. But generally, people are really friendly, everybody is happy to be there and explore these different places. And I have to say that for that side, it was good to share memories with other people. We were going to be having, the same memories, which as a solo travel, you basically share the memories, I suppose, with yourself. The biggest issue I think some of us had were with people who couldn't keep time, and it's a bit frustrating when you have to wait for others. So when you're going with a group, that's one of the big cons, is that you have to wait for people who are always late. I would say another big pro is that on these group tours, you get to go to places that you might not even have known existed or are quite difficult to get to by yourself. So I got to see and experience places that I would not have seen if I hadn't done the group tour.
Right. Okay. Hello, my name is Wilson Garcia. I'm from Peru. I working for Toucan Travel almost 6 years, because it started in 2014. Yeah, nearly 6 years.
Okay, thanks.
So we are like in 2 moments from here and so that's why we are stopping here. So to see how the people are processing the salt, how the people are working with the salt, and if we export the salt
Another big pro for me was the use of local guides to share their knowledge with us about all the different places we visited. That was something that I really appreciated, and I think I learned a lot more than I would have if I had been traveling just by myself.
Oh, right guys, so first, sorry we're stopping at a place,
Yeah.
So while some group tours are quite inflexible and the itinerary is just one thing after the other, you've got no free time. The one that I went on with Toucan Travel was quite flexible because on your days to yourself, they did offer optional activities that you could opt into if you so wished. Obviously, these would come at an extra cost. So when you are working out your budget for a group trip, always allow extra money for optional trips. So one of the optional trips that I did was to go on a boat ride under the Iguazu Falls and have the famous Iguazu Falls shower. So you've got to just factor in that you might be spending more money than you anticipated. Another big pro is the whole safety aspect, and that there's definitely the thing that there's safety in numbers, but you've got a tour guide who ensures that everybody is together, and he won't or she won't take you to places that aren't safe. So that safety is definitely considered when planning these trips. So I guess the question is, would I ever do another group tour? I would have to say, if it is to a place where traveling alone might be risky or where I don't speak the language, I think I would definitely recommend group travel. If I am traveling to a city in Europe, for instance, or in America, I don't think I would do group travel. I would rather travel solo. So I guess there you have it. It depends on the person and what you really like and the way you like to travel. If you are traveling for the first time and you're nervous, then I would say group travel is probably the best thing for you. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the pros and cons of group travel, and when you make a decision, you are going to make more of an informed decision. So, on to the next adventure.